Now we have paid for our small thing here in the cashier. And here you can buy hot dog for a good price. Swedish bistro. Pork sausage 95, that's a big one. Veggie dog was 65. Yeah, but now we go to the market here. We go and check the market. I have an order on meatballs, and we're gonna see if we find meatballs also. They have cinnamon bun, pepparkakor, 995 for this.
Drinking water. 25 peso can buy.
Kullamust. 125 peso. Okay. Here they have this cider, Kopparberg cider. That's popular in Sweden also, in many places. Thailand have a lot of this also. 145 peso for one bottle. 330 milliliter. There you like this kafferep. Huh?
I think the other one.
This giffel we have in Sweden, you remember?
Yeah, that's the one I want.
Oh, you take one. We take one. We take this giffel. And then pancake bits. 325. Okay. Here they have Salomon. IKEA Salomon.
My favorite. My very
995 for. Oh, it's much more expensive than home, of course. Oh. Chicken sausage. 95. That's no problem. You want? That's chicken sausage. We take two of this.
And then maybe the meatballs is over there.
Oh. Let's see if we find the meatball in the restaurant. Here they have crayfish. It costs kräftor, half kilo costs 595 peso. No. This is a good one. You have it inside. It is for all the things cold. Maybe here they have? No. Yeah, but I don't see that. They don't have much, must say. Here they have a lot of chocolate cake. 125 for this. IKEA's own chocolate. And here you have bilar. That's car in Swedish. Bilar. And they cost 165. Okay. Same price but different taste. And here you build a cinnamon house. You can do. Cost 495 to build a cinnamon house. Pepparkakshus in Swedish. And here you have snacks. Here, they have little left. Cheese doodles, original Swedish. OLV. Sweden most loved snack since 1968. OLV chips. Cheese doodles. 265 for that. Yeah, I don't see so many special. They don't see that, eh? They don't have, eh? They don't have meatball. Maybe they should have it in this fridge here, but they have sold it out, or they don't have the new order coming in. So that's sad. See, they even sell San Miguel, eh? But that's not... They don't have much, must say, eh? Very little. Okay. Yeah, that's this market for little Swedish thing, but little they don't have much, must say. It's just outside the cashier here.